Alright, we're live. We're live, yes. Excellent. We are live. Okay. So, thumbnail. Bam. Screenliner. Real cool Hot Wheels car. Real nice. That old style. Little split back window. That fin. Pretty cool. It's 2019 special. It was a Christmas special. Went to the store on Christmas Eve. Late at night, there was nobody there, literally. They were just opening up a fresh box of Hot Wheels. Stole 3 of them out of there. I didn't steal, I bought them, but... Yep, very nice. Very meaningful. Really cool. The most meaningful cars. Christmas Eve. Real pleasant to find those. There was a bunch in there, so I got 3 of them. Hot Wheels are great. Okay. Yes, shot. Hello. All right. So super late start. Oh, goodness. Boss. I gotta get some more drink. I'll be right back. I haven't drinking anything all morning. All right. Super late start. Let's see. Oh yeah. More little breaks that I take, the longer I can keep trading. So that's the method. Walking away from the computer. More breaks, the more work done. So let's see the market. If we started at about 5 a.m. Oh boy. Boy, oh boy. We started about at 5 a.m. Maybe I would have took this trade right here because there's a setup to the upside. Probably would have stayed in it. Saw this setup again. Stayed in it. Probably would have stayed in it for too long. Would have stopped myself out right here for some profit. Realizing this is turning around probably. Right? Probably would have caught this flag on the way down. You know, you gotta kind of see what you would have done here. This bear flag on the way down. Probably would have got stopped out somewhere around here. Some 70, 80 points profit. Probably would have tried to take a trade somewhere around here. Got sick of seeing this go up. Or maybe I would have just been sitting out of it, waiting for the setup to the downside, like right now. Right now we got a nice setup to the downside. So how's the overall night anyway? In yesterday, right? We stopped trading at like 4 p.m. What time we stopped trading yesterday? Or 4 p.m. here. So, right. Oh, goodness. Get this. Why is this not working? Oh, yeah. Of course. Goodness sake. We traded up to about close. Right, 340. Got out somewhere around here. The market opened up at 5. Let's see, it's been going up. Basically. See, anytime the market goes slightly in one direction, up or down, it's probably going to destroy you with something like this. So if you're going for a short or long position and the market is only slightly going up or down, the market may just explode in some direction. So always remember there's a good chance that you're just going to get washed out if you're not actually riding a move or riding a you got to have some kind of momentum or some kind of quick take profit. You got to have like a quick take profit, because if you stay in there long, you don't know what's going to happen. And if you have a quick take profit and the market explodes in one or the other way, it's just bad luck. It's just the way the cookie crumbles. It just happens. It's normal. It's absolutely normal. So, analysis from yesterday. Market slightly going up. 5 a.m. What if market still kept going? Would have tried to catch this giant move. Some way. Right? No. Oh, goodness. I'm not paying attention and I lost this move. I should have entered already. Oh my goodness. So now I'm losing money trying to do the analysis. That's alright. Goodness. Here we go. There's the candle we want. Come on, candle. Work with me. Alright. We already had 20, 30 point breakout. This would be kind of dangerous to enter now, because we don't know what way the market wants to go. Maybe it wants to continue up. It's been going up. Went for a liquidity sweep down and then up. This giant V, right? This seems like a liquidity sweep. Went down and then up. Now it seems like it might be flagging, or we might continue down. This is a higher low right here compared to that. So we basically missed this move because I was explaining. That's okay. Figure out. That's okay. We gotta establish everything prior. We gotta try to help ourselves see what's happening beforehand to decide which way we want to go. So we look at the trend. We've established beforehand that it's been going up basically. Now it just took this giant sort of liquidity sweep, and now we're seeing if it's going to continue up because of a liquidity sweep, or if we're turning around and going down. And I basically missed this move, so I feel it's too dangerous to take a short in this area at any point, because this could continue going down or turn around. I want to enter somewhere around this area right here. I want to enter somewhere around there, right? So we're talking about I should already have 30 points. You already having 30 points is at the very least a huge cushion for a pullback. So if it does a pullback and continues going to the downside, we have at least established a 30-point cushion, and it may not even hit our entry point, our entry price. So if it pulls back and it continues going down, and we had entered in this area where the mouse is, we would have had a great cushion. Let's see, what is this? What is this? Goodness. How do I stop this? How do I stop this? What have I done? Oh man. Okay, I don't know how to stop this. I thought I was trying. That worked. Okay, so now we're going up, so Are we continuing up, or is this just a flag? Because this is very trending. These many green candles say we are trending. These many red candles say we are trending. This means probably we are flagging. See, I wouldn't want to enter right now because I don't know. The whole momentum beforehand was a consolidation. So where are we going? I don't know. We're not slightly in the bear. We're slightly in the bear direction, right? So I really don't have a good feel here at all which way we would be going. I wouldn't put money on it. I'm more scared of losing that money than finding out if I was right. How much money are you willing to put down to find out if you were right or wrong about the NASDAQ? Right now, I am not feeling it. Now it's going down, right? Yeah, this real nice little flag. See, what I'm feeling is what I've been taking along there, taking a reversal trade, right? Or, I'm sorry, I mean to say that this would be a flag. This would be a flag, right? If this is trending, then this could be a reversal or a flag. Now it's looking like it's a flag. We don't know what is a flag. Everything could really be a flag. There we are. But like at these points, we can obviously see this is a flag. This is a nice setup right here, right? This was a nice setup right here. This is looking like a mess. It wants to break through here. Getting that wick breaking through. Wicks can either indicate the direction or a reversal, right? And it's very obvious. When you see in this area right here a bunch of wicks, there are actually quite a few wicks in this area. If there was more wicks, it would be a strong indicator of a reversal. But then there are sometimes wicks like these right here, really long wicks that penetrate. They're usually screaming the direction they want to go, right? These were screaming that we want to go lower. But it's not always true, right? Sometimes you can just have a wick going in the wrong direction, but it's not too common. So the wicks do tell a story. They tell two stories: direction and reversal. Oh, you see, now we hit this flag. That's what it was. See if we can enter a short here. This feels like a good short. I'm feeling it here. We could get a little pullback. Or we just do this right here. See. Oh, it's almost market open. Let's not enter the market right now. You know, market open, you don't want to be in a position through market open, because market open is pouring fuel on the fire. All right, let's just give it a minute here. All right, and we are in market open. Let's just let it go, because this is a little bit too dangerous right now. Market open is a little crazy. We don't have a necessary direction. There's your market open. There's your short, right? I'm thinking going short, like right here. We're already at blew into our stop loss. Right, like 75. 175. Entering like right here, right? Now which way are we gonna go? We don't know. But the momentum looks like it's going down. It looks like a strong reversal. We have a nice flag here, right? Maybe we should take a short position. This itself could be a flag. This could be a big flag here. We don't know what's happening, really. Yep, you see, this would have been a terrible, terrible decision. Thank you, me, for waiting. Thank you, me, for waiting. Now, this isn't even looking like a flag anymore. This is more looking like a consolidation area. This is not looking like a flag anymore. It's looking like a consolidation area. And we can see right past these candles. Oh, no. Oh, thank God.
Order filled. Order filled.
I pressed 2 contracts by accident again. Oh, we're in trouble. We're in trouble. We're in trouble. I should have exited. I should have exited. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. You see, this is what happens when you do market open trades.
Order filled.
Oh goodness. I'm doing this a lot lately. Now I'm kind of angry. I just fed into a liquidity sweep here. That's all right. That's all right. That was a bad trade. I had a bad trade yesterday also. That's how it started. That's okay. We can handle that. We can totally handle that. That's called life. And we did it. We did it. At least we did something. Okay? At least we did something and we tried and it failed. We're gonna get back all those things that we lost. It's gonna work because it was supposed to work. I got a little bit excited there, and it just didn't work. Okay. All right. Alright, now we lost 25.5 points on two contracts. That's basically 51 points. That was really terrible. That was really bad. We never want that to happen again. I'm actually quite disappointed in myself that I allowed that to happen. Partially it's my fault for not buying a computer sooner, and it cost me $1,010 and $20. So that's your lesson for the day. And what do? We wait for setups, right? Here's our 15-minute range starting to happen. Clean up a little bit. See, look at this. This is crazy. Went up, went down, went up. Just doing whatever it wants to do. Seems like it wants to go down. Being 51 points in the hole at the start is quite disappointing. I should have just took that little, be more disciplined. I got excited there. But that's okay. It was worth it because it seemed like it was going to break up. So it just turned around on me. Thinking of revenge trading this just to get some money back. It's going short.
Order filled.
Don't tell me you're just going to make a giant bar of candles right here. Look like you were going down, now you're going up. Alright, we're going to stay in this one. The market is being crazy until we can get out of here with some kind of profit. This one is it's definitely going to continue to go down. The momentum seems to be down. The reversal seems to have happened. We took a liquidity sweep here that I fell for already. See, the wicks can be either three things: a reversal, a liquidity sweep, reversal, a liquidity sweep, or a penetrating candle. This is just playing with me now. It knows it wants to go down. It needs to catch enough longs to go down. As long as it catches enough accounts, destroys enough lives, the other way it can finally go down. I'm just too early to the party. I'm not thinking that I can't be wrong. I know I can be wrong, but I didn't. I should be paying attention here. This could just wipe me out. This could be a very just. All right.
Order filled.
Okay. See, we did 2 bad trades in a row. No more. No more. We're not no more trading, but no more. So the problem here is we're in a really, really tight spot now. We had a accidental trade at the beginning. Now we had a losing trade. We got to just pray and hope it's going to work out now. And if I just waited for the perfect setup, I could have still had money, but I don't. Right,
Order filled.
let's just try to get 10 points here. Just some 10 points. Just, okay. Yeah. Don't play with me, computer. God damn it. You owe me money, computer. Alright, see, now we're in the profit. Come on. Come on, stay down. You see, now I'm being stubborn. But I know it can go down. This market open has been brutal. And then we could just get our whole life wiped out in just an instance. If we're not behaved and disciplined enough, see, the market is trying to just hurt people today. It's showing that it wants to go down, but it's not showing that. So we'll be lucky if we get out of here alive. So we have the 15-minute range already set out. We have set up to the downside. We're already in, so we're staying in. We have just set up to the downside, but this, oh boy. Oh boy. It just doesn't want to definitely not outsmarting the market today. The market is definitely outsmarting you today. Okay, I'm done here. I just want to get out. is very intense. Having this contract on, really don't know which way the market's going to be heading. This is one of those days where I guess there are too many winners yesterday. Today they just do the opposite. The market always has to see, the market doesn't want to be on the winning side here. This is a definitely just leave me alone, get me out of this thing. I don't want to hear about it anymore. You can see the big setup to the downside, but which way is it going to go? We don't know. I really shouldn't be in this trade. I'm really starting to feel it now. All right.
Order filled.
Okay. We're totally wiped out. We gotta take a break here. All right. I'm not giving up. I've totally failed. There's no hope left right now. But It's okay. You know, you just don't learn your lessons sometimes in life, and this was definitely one of those times that was harder than easier, especially with the first trade being a mistake. This was very difficult to. This is very difficult to swallow. I just want to help my family out. I want to have some financial freedom. I guess that's how it all starts. Everybody's going to say you're going to be evil or something. It's evil to make money. It's kind of sad. It's quite sad. Yeah. Fuck. How do I catch just that bottom? No, it's just quite the terror now. That's alright. It's alright. It's alright. Totally failed, but I seem to be going up. These are yeah. Yeah. It's a bad day. As if we could just break even today, that would be amazing. We just gotta hope everything will be alright. That's all we can do. Today we just pray to God. That's all we have.
Order filled.
Alright, this is quite intense because I got this in this trade by
Order
accident.
filled.
But now I feel confident that everything's going to be alright, and it is. I got filled out, and I got 10 points. Total mistake on my part. Again, it's not going to happen again. I promise. Okay. See, I didn't do the orb today, so I lost. Look at the orb, paying gracefully. 100 points. Wonderful. Hoisted by my own petard. Wow, today is a mess. Got a little setup here to the upside. That was a brutal morning for me. I definitely didn't stick to my plan. Wasn't doing it right. All right. Trading was really hard today. Did not work very well. Goodness, that was quite intense. It was quite an intense morning. I lost some money quite heavily.
Order filled. Alright, so I entered here for a little short 10 points. Just trying to collect some points. Took a brutal morning. This was probably a bad trade here. I'm starting to think we got some wicks going on at the bottom. This may be another bad trade for the day, but that's okay. I'm certain it will be quite alright. Just gotta wait. So this is a very stressful way to make money. I would normally not take this trade, so I'm not feeling it very well. That's why I'm just taking a small amount of profit. Just hit the profit and get out. You got a really good chance of making profit if you're taking less. Order filled.
The more profit you want to make, the less chance you have of succeeding. Right? What's the chances you're going to make 200 points in one trade? Small. What's the chances you're going to make 10 points in one trade? Very, very large. So that's why you always hear people that say, oh, I'm very profitable. Oh, I only take small trades.
It's like small trades. Why do you only take small trades? Can't you take bigger trades? Well, the truth is, the bigger your trades, the less likely you're going to make any money. There we go. There we go. Just taking little bits of profit. Look at that. 10 points and reversed on this wicking reversal. This is telling us this is going to be probably a nice flag here. Bunch of wicks. Alright. Alright, wicks. Wicks. Let's see, wicks. Oh, it's the Wilder ones, right? Right. Goodness, I can't draw this trend line to save my life. Okie dokie. Okie dokie. So I could have made some more money here, obviously, but why? Just took 10 points. The lower your profit target, the more likely you are to make money. So the smaller your profit target, the more likely you are to make some profit. Right, so the smaller your profit target, the more likely you are to be making money. All right. And if I haven't said before, I hope everybody here is going to learn and grow and be better of a person as a trader, as anything that they trying to accomplish in their trading life. Hopefully that happens for you. You get better and you get more successful. You have a better life. All right, and we could just go for another quick 10 points. Let's see. No, well, that was a good opportunity there for 10 points, but I did not take it. I have a good feeling this is going to fall lower.
Order filled.
All right, just got to pay attention. Just took another quick 10-point scalp here. Help me out, help me out. Give me some 10 points. Come on, market. Let's dip down. Dip down, dip down. So we could just, safely bet that we're going to have some 10-point scalps. And I have ruin my account, but I'm sure I could get 10 points here. And slowly we can rebuild that confidence again. I was going the wrong direction, of course. This was a bad trade. Should have waited. Should always be waiting. Let's just pray to God. Alright, we just hit the 21 EMA. Probably going to bounce back now. We just got to pray to God. Pray to God. Just get us back. Just get us back. We already lost that money. Just get us back. Alright, now you see, now I count this as making money. You've made money. Okay. We're going in the right direction here. Nice hammer candle to the upside. Means we're going down. Not worth much of anything. Just a poor boy. Please, market, pay me. He's making a nice setup to the downside, but we can't really trust it. Alright, I'm just gonna bet the account on this trade. It's just gotta go my way. Let's just pray to God. Come on. I don't have anything. Come on, market. I don't have anything. Maybe trying to get a life. I'm feeling this now. Got this set up to the downside. Come on. Just get me out of this trade. I'm not even trading well. I'm trading this momentum. Not trading the momentum well. Should have never took that trade, damn. Alright, now I'm taking really bad trades actually, so we just gotta hope and pray. I know it's gonna work. We got this set up, and now it's just starting to move in my direction, but I know it's gonna work. The market is moving in a predictable fashion currently, so there should be a lot of contracts. Okay, now that is disconcerting. Just was supposed to break out to the downside, and it did not break out to the downside. This was a very strong flag, and it definitely lied to us here. Oh man, I should have just went out for a small loss on this trade, but I was too stubborn. Okay. It just doesn't want to go down. Just doesn't want to go down now. Market. I don't want to even look at it. Just cover it up and let it work the rest of my life out. Just covering up the market. Just let it work. Just let it work. It's going to go down sooner or later. Just let it work. Just let it work. There we go. Just cover up the market. Let it work. We just gotta hope to heck it's gonna go in the right direction. That's all. It's that 9 EMA, that purple line started to touch that 21 EMA. Started to get close to it. So when the market started to break down. Market wants to go down, but it needs the strong liquidity sweep. Now, if it's making a setup to the upside, it's going to probably dip up again before it goes down. We're just playing here at the $15-minute range. Re-entering the 15-minute range. I entered the market right on the 15-minute range, basically. Right. See, the thing is, when you want to enter the market, usually the market's going to pull back to stop you out, and then it's going to continue. So if you are correct about which way the market wants to go and you enter, most likely there's going to be a pullback. I would always say wait like 10 seconds or wait like 5 minutes, at least 10 seconds. At least you gotta wait 10 seconds unless you're really feeling that moment, and then yeah. So you get a little better entry. Like right now, what is this? Why is the candle going up? Is it wasting time, or is it doing a liquidity sweep? But we know it's doing a liquidity sweep. It's grabbing longs. It's grabbing long contracts before it heads down. I'm kind of so positive now. We're gonna get some points back. We're a terrible trade. Just gonna let it go. Just let it go. Okay. Yep, now it's pulling back again. I should have took the 10 points. Drop in equity, losing money, losing everything. There just weren't enough long contracts. Now it's going for the long contracts again. The market wants to move down, but it's not in a hurry. It's not in a hurry. Goodness sake. Creating a higher low. Higher low. Have anybody here? I'm gonna have any viewers for God knows how long. Oh, goodness sake. Come on, just put in a classic higher low and go lower. Don't waste my time, NASDAQ. It's a good thing you grabbed that liquidity for us. I'm going to take a break after this trade, at least if I remember. Oh my gosh. You know what? I mean, I wasn't even satisfied with that. I'm kind of disappointed in myself. Now make that a higher low. is the appropriate thing to do, NASDAQ. If we want to continue lower, you need to make a higher low. So it's a great time to enter short. Okay. Okay, I trust you, NASDAQ. Now take me lower. Man, entered right on 15-minute range. Oh, there you go. Just take it lower now. It's just been hungry. There we go. Let's get some points back. Come on, NASDAQ. Just drop the hammer. We gotta check if there's gonna be any news. It's 6:30. 9 a.m. We already passed that. It's a good thing. See, we went up. See, this is the perfect liquidity sweep right here. We were supposed to go down from this point, but it went slowly up, and then just dropped like a hammer. Thanks for the liquidity. It's like the best example of liquidity sweep I've seen. It should tip a little bit to the upside, or if it got enough liquidity, just go straight down. We're hitting the 21 EMA, going past it again. Again, now we're going straight up. Amazing. Again, didn't catch enough liquidity. We definitely want to be moving towards the downside. This candle should be red or a small ring candle. Come on, NASDAQ. Don't disappoint me. Don't disappoint me, NASDAQ. Let's cover up the market. Forget about it. I want to look at you, NASDAQ. Know what you're going to do. You're going to move around a bunch, and then you're going to go in the direction I thought you were going to go. I know you don't want to go up, NASDAQ. If I thought you wanted to go up, NASDAQ, I would have seen it already. Just feed me my 10 points and then maybe on my way. I'll break down to the downside finally. Stop playing at the 15-minute range like yesterday. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Higher low, higher low, higher low. What happens when you play with consolidation for a long trade like this? I entered here. We're over here already. Probably not going to get anything out of it. Right? It's probably going to go in the wrong way. Not going to get anything out of it. Trades should be quick and be in and out in like 5 minutes. You want to be safe. So you're going for that quick money, basically. Now we're getting set up to the upside. So there we go. Can't believe I'm so relaxed. Got this money on the line. Try to break even today. The goal is to break even today because it went so bad. See, it just doesn't want to go into the 15-minute range. It is refusing like nothing. Alright, now we're just waiting. But you see, it doesn't want to break to the downside. It just doesn't want to go down. This is quite a trouble area because it doesn't want to go down. It has a formation to the upside. We want it to go down. It looks like it wants to go up. That is the problem. So, can't just go down. What happens if you go down that deck? What happens? We're holding shorts down there, huh? We're holding short positions down there. Look how scared the market is of going down. The market is not doing anything right now. It's just stuck in this corner right here. It wants to move down. This is the one time I think the setup is not going to work. There's a setup to the upside, but there's a support level we're probably going to break. See, it just wants to go down. There's a setup to the upside because it's looking for longs to grab. So I wicked out of the formation right here. Grab some longs. Oh. That's a profit right there. Profit target. It's a profit target and beyond. That's right. You know why I'm not profitable? Because I want the big profit. I'm going for the big points. And that means I'm making less money. Smaller your profit, the smaller your profit target. The move, excuse me, oh my god. The smaller the profit, I just read some random words. The smaller your profit target, the more likely you'll be making money. If my profit target was 10 points each time, I would be in the money, but I have lost money, and I am not in the money. Let's see if my trades are still on Tradeovate from yesterday. Maybe they delete them. They delete your trades off the damn screen overnight. Unfreaking believable. But you know what they'll leave? They'll leave all the shit you made on the graph. Excuse me, I don't want to swear. People don't like that, do they? Okay. Oh, gosh. Yeah. No, we're making money. I'm not even looking. We're in the profit. See, if we took these first 3 trades with 10-point profit, we would have been making money. But we did, so we're not making money. What are we looking for? 71. Right? Extra $1,000 if you want. Just hitting those 1,000 points. You don't want more than 50 points usually per trade, because the smaller your take profit, the more likely you'll be making money. Teachers. Yes. Alright. Alright, you see? We took that profit target at 1,000 points. We've already had money. Now what is happening here? Having a mega candle out of nowhere. Take us straight to the losing. Oh my gosh, is that just the world's biggest liquidity sweep or what? No. You can't be kidding me like that. No, this market can't, Nasdaq can't be that cruel. See, I was so positive we were going to be making more than $1,000. Didn't expect the stock market to just decide to wipe everybody off the face of the earth. Please don't destroy my account, Nasdaq. I'm just a poor boy. Should have took the $1,000. I'm so sorry. Why are you doing this? I don't understand. Don't understand, Nasdaq. Gave me an opportunity and I didn't take it. And instead I decided to not take the opportunity you gave us, Nasdaq. This is the troubles of trading. We don't have you need a smaller profit target always. I mean, honestly, we're just risking everything now. If we get to 1,000 points, let's take it this time. Let's not play. I won't play Nasdaq. Just help me out. I'm playing like a big player here. Had a big opportunity and just went away. It's probably gonna head down now again. Now I'm starting to feel the victory. Nasdaq is 50 gonna murder us today. I don't know. You know, the thing is, when you do technical analysis, when you do all your analytics, the thing that happens is the trade might go the wrong way, But because of your analytics, you could tell that the stock market was going lower, for example. So, because your analytics told you the stock market was going lower, and it goes the wrong way, there's a very good chance that if okay, I'm sorry, from the beginning, if your analytics tell you the stock market is going one way and it goes the opposite way, there's a good chance that it might reverse and go your way that you were thinking it was going to go, because the analytics speak strongly. Just because we've had this move to the upside, this huge move to the upside, doesn't necessarily mean just a huge move to the upside doesn't necessarily mean the stock market is going to go up now. Because your analytics tell you it's going to go down, it might just be going for that liquidity. Yeah. You really got to get your stuff together. I mean, I'm just trading here on a whim, basically. And I know that I'm not going to do so good right now. So I'm just praying and hoping. God gave me a big chance right there for some points, and I didn't take it. Right? The smaller your profit target is, the more likely you'll be making money. So the bigger your profit target is, the more money you'll be making, but the less likely you'll be actually making that money. See, when a big candle like that wipes you out, bad news, just not your day. When a big candle like that wipes out you, I mean, today has been pretty bad. See? The analytics are telling me the stock market is going down, but yet it was going up. Now it's going down again. Let's see if this continues, or if I'm just mouthing myself off here. See, now it looks like it actually wants to go up. Now I'm kind of worried, because this was a big liquidity sweep. Unless this just, yeah, see, now I'm worried. Now I'm genuinely worried. Maybe the market wanted to go down up to this point, and now it wants to go up. It's very likely. And now we're breaking those candles, breaking this resistance level. And it'll wipe me up. Okay, no, it's not going to wipe me out. We're going to succeed. Everything positive here, we're going to succeed. Everything's going to come together. Everything's going to work. We're going to do a good job. We're going to do a good job. I don't know why the market is doing what it's doing, but it's doing what it's doing. Nobody really knows what the market is doing or what it's going to do. Okay, so the market's in a bear market. We should just stick to bear trades today. It's more of a consolidation. So This is the market. Just sit here. Just sit here and wait. Just pray to God we're going in the right direction. Alright, so if we're hoping it goes up, we're getting formation to the upside again. Come on. So you just gotta stick to your guns. The strategy is the last 30, 40 candles. They're all sort of going to the downside. Just gotta stick to the strategy. You gotta stick with one strategy so you get good enough with it to tell if you're a terrible trader. And not only do you need to find the strategy, you need to make sure it's a winning strategy. Now we're going down again. Market's going down, going down. Because you can find the strategy, and you can be so good that you make it work, but it turns out the strategy is a loser strategy. Or you can try really hard and have a loser strategy and never succeed. And all you're doing wrong is using the wrong strategy. So there's like two things that are very unstable and unknown that need to be balanced. That's how difficult life is if we need to think about it. Let's see if there's a pattern I see here. I'm missing head and shoulders again. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Well, that's not really a head and shoulders pattern. Okay. You know, this looks so familiar to a head and shoulders pattern. I'm kind of scared about this trade. I mean, the momentum is to the downside, but there's basically a head and shoulders pattern right here. The support confluence level is not helping. And make money. Big red candle. Big surprise, not really. Am I surprised we're going down? No, I'm not. I'm surprised this breakout didn't work. I thought we were going to get screwed, but here at this breakout it just gave us $1,000 and I said no. Yep. Oh boy. Excuse me. See, if we took the 10 points profit, we would have been making money. Now we're in the red again. I don't like this. Why are we in the red? Why are we in red again? Now this is now we are at a. I didn't see the wicks. Oh my god! Did you see these wicks? Didn't see these damn wicks. Come on, this is bad now. Now I don't know if we're gonna turn around. I really don't know if we're gonna turn around. See? No, I think we're screwed. Okay. Okay, we're screwed. I got it. I kind of don't care. I mean, I do care, but you just kind of gotta let go because it's probably not gonna shoot up anymore. Yeah, I'm worried about this one. Those those candle wicks were not very nice. I mean, these candlesticks right here, did not notice them at all. Just wick, 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 wick. Oh, should have got out right there. Just be happy with it. Yeah, this was the one. This was it. It's just gonna ruin us. I was an absolute fool. I don't know why. I don't know how I could be such a fool. Uh, the market doesn't want to go up though. The market does not want to go up. If we get 10 points this time, we'll be lucky. This is a terrible trade. I did a terrible job today. I totally don't think I did a good job at all. Okay, now we're just God's grace. This is God's mercy. Just, now we just have God's mercy, honestly. I mean, this market today, all it wants to do is drop like a hammer. It is taking the escalator up and the elevator down all day today. And honestly, oh my gosh. All right, we just gotta hope and pray now. I mean, forget those 10 points and be amazed. It is really taking the stairs up and the escalator down. I believe the market will be going down. If anything, this was an actual liquidity sweep. Anything can really be a liquidity sweep. I mean, it's up to your perspective. Because if we're going up, if we're going to be going bullish, you can say this giant dip here was the liquidity sweep. We're just waiting to go up. Or you can say that the trend line break at 9.97 about 9.10. The trend line break indicates that we are moving to the downside. And it doesn't matter if we consolidate and move up a little, we are moving to the downside. We're getting these wicks again. See these wicks? These wicks are kind of where we're going. Probably up. But you want at least 3 wicks. Because I just got poop thrown in my face right there. I'm saying it's going to go up, you see. And it just went blasting down. Alright.